In the dusty outskirts of Lubbock, Texas, 24-year-old Levi Callahan was barely scraping by. He fixed fences, hauled hay, whatever cash work the ranches offered, then came home to a single-wide trailer, a can of chili, and the same worn-out boots. One scorching afternoon, after another day of no luck, Levi was walking the long farm-to-market road when an old pickup rattled up beside him. The driver, a white-haired man in a crisp Stetson, rolled down the window. "Young man, I've got 3 heavy duffels in the back. I need to get to the other side of post. Help me out, and I'll pay you $30 cash." Levi tossed the first bag onto his shoulder. It felt like lead. "Man, what's in here, bricks?" The old man smiled. "Just some old coins. Bronze mostly." They started walking. At the dry creek bed, the old man stopped. "Water's too high for me, and these other 2 bags. Carry one more across, and I'll make it 60. Levi didn't hesitate. He lifted the second bag, crossed, came back. The old man watched him the whole time like he was being measured. At the base of a steep caliche hill, the old man halted again. "Last one's the heaviest. Pure silver dollars," he said quietly. "If you wanted, you could disappear over that ridge, and I'd never catch you." Levi felt the insult sting. "Sir, I've turned down shady jobs that paid more than this. I don't steal." The old man studied him a long second, then handed over the third bag. "Gold," he claimed. "Go on ahead. I'll be slow. Meet me at the windmill on top." Levi started climbing, 3 bags cutting into his shoulders, sweat burning his eyes. Halfway up, the thought hit like a rattlesnake strike. He's old. He's alone. No one saw us. 3 bags of coins could buy a ranch, a new truck, a whole new life. The thought grew legs. I'd never have to break my back again. I could take care of Mama. I could finally breathe. His pace quickened. Then he broke into a run. Heart pounding, he crested the hill, dropped the bags behind the windmill, and ripped them open. Rocks. Nothing but river stones, and a single folded note. He unfolded it with shaking hands. "Son, I own half this county, and I'm dying with no heir. I've been searching for a man honest enough to carry my fortune and still bring it to me. You were 1 hill away from wearing my ring and running my empire. One greedy thought cost you everything." Levi fell to his knees in the red dirt. All his life he'd been honest, even when it hurt. Yet 5 minutes of temptation erased it all. He sat there until sunset, then carried the empty bags back down the hill and left them on the old man's porch. He never saw the man again. Moral of the story: integrity isn't tested when times are easy. It's tested when no one is watching and everything is on the table. One unchecked greedy thought can rob you of a destiny you didn't even know was waiting. Guard your mind like it's the deed to your future, because it is.